guys, Jack at Never Too Old Adventures, where you're never too old and it's never too late to get out there on an adventure. Well, once again, we are off to the surf because the surf is supposed to be flat. Now, you saw the last video, it was rolling out there, so I can't make any guarantees, but we're gonna go try it, see if we can't stir up a fish or two, maybe a whole bunch, who knows? We just have to get out there and find out. So here we go, we're off, so don't forget, it's never too late to get out there on that next adventure. Have a good one, here we go. Hey guys, well, here we are. You know that thing I mentioned in our last video about waiting for the ferry? It says 15 minutes, but we're a little bit far away from what we were last time. Take a look. That don't matter, we'll get across here and get out there. All right guys, we keep on going. We're gonna get there one of these days. Y'all wanna see my co-part? That's my beautiful wife right there, my adventuring partner. All right guys, here we go. Hey guys, here we are out at the beach now. I'm gonna show you what we got set up so far. Had to claim a little spot here. It's really busy out here at Port Aransas Beach, so let me show you what I got here. Got our canopy, little shade set up there, a couple of chairs. Got 1, 2, 3 rod holders out. I got one rod out right now. Got some dead shrimp on the end of it. I'm fixing to try to cast net for some mullet. So we'll see what we can come up with. All right, stay tuned. I hope we catch a fish.
What you got? What is it?
Oh, there's a fish out there.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Ladyfish. Skipjack, huge. Bait, what that is, bait.
Sam.
Hey guys, this is Jack again, and look, we caught an old ladyfish out of the surf up there on a live shrimp under a popping cork. Redfish like it, sharks really like it because it's bloody. So we're gonna try to see if we can't get something a little bit bigger than this one. So here we go, we're gonna cut it up. Okay, we're gonna cut him up now. I'm not gonna show you the blood and guts, but I'm gonna cut him up into about 1 to 2 inch squares, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Guys, last time we were out here, I had this one out. This did have 2 hooks and a weight on the bottom of it. But something hit it, cut it, took off, and I don't know what it was. And I thought these were nylon, but they're not. They got wire under them, so I don't know what it could have been. Must have been something pretty good size that hit it, took off like that. So we're gonna change this one out. We're gonna put a steel leader on it with 1 hook and a weight at the bottom, and put one of the big old chunks of ladyfish on there and take it out there to the 3rd bar and chunk it out. So here we go. Well guys, back up that way is Port Aransas. Back down that way is Flower Bluff and the Pins, Padre Island National Seashore. Hey! Ah, look at there. Had somebody wave at us as we're out here. That's cool. We're at the 100-mile marker on the beach, Port Aransas, Texas. Beautiful day. Look at those waves out there. Not bad at all. Last time they were 3-4 foot high when we were out here, so we really got a good day today. Lots of people out. Fishing's not too good, but there's a lot of people out here in the water, so it's a great day though. Absolutely. I don't know whether you can see them, but out there they got some rigs and stuff out there. A lot of people, they take their boats after those rigs and fish those rigs out there. That little guy out there with the cast net, that's my son. He's trying to get us some bait. We'll see what happens. Don't forget now, you're never too old and it's never too late to get out there for your next adventure. Hope to see you down here on the Texas Gulf Coast, Port Aransas. Well guys, we made another valiant effort down here at the beach. There's a lot of people, as you can see. Yeah, it was pretty packed solid. We put the poles out and everything and tried to do a little fishing, but man, it's just no luck. Water was nice and clear and clean. It was a beautiful day at the beach. So I'd suggest come on down this month when the wind's not blowing so hard and try to get out there on the beach and have a good time. Well, our adventure didn't go as planned. We would have loved to have caught some fish, but we didn't do that. Anyway, we're headed back to the house. Got to get the seatbelt on. It's dinging in the background. So we will see you out there on that next adventure. That was a long ride across the ferry. We had lots of barge traffic we had to wait on, so it took us about 45 minutes to get across. So just remember, when you're planning your trip, make sure you give yourself plenty of time to get across the ferry. Loading wasn't too bad, about 15 minutes. Then we had to stand 30 minutes on the ferry waiting for the barges to go by. So anyway, make sure you plan that way out when you start your trip down this way. About to get off this thing and head to the house.